Hello, everyone, and a very good morning to all. I hope I'm audible. Can you please give me a confirmation whether my voice is clear and you can see the screen as well?
Yes, Mandar.
Perfect. Thank you, Saili. Hey, Richa. Hi, Prateek. Hi, Saili. Hope you guys are doing good.
Yes, doing good.
Perfect. Perfect. So, what's on our agenda today? So, today we are going to have a live demonstration of COCO, which is Cortex Code and Snowflake. It is Snowflake's own AI agent that has been built into the entire Snowflake ecosystem. And we would see a good demonstration of what all we can actually do while using COCO. Now, this is not going to be a theoretical session. We are going to have a complete hands-on workshop where you could see me actually working live with Coco, both in Snowsight, which is the portal version of Snowflake, and CLI, which is the CLI version of Snowflake as well. So before I begin, I just hope you guys are aware about Snowflake and just know basics of Snowflake, like what is the architecture, what is a warehouse in Snowflake, how does the entire architecture work, how can we how can we use different things inside of Snowflake. I hope we all are comfortable. Maybe you guys can show a thumbs up so that I can know we are aligned here. Perfect. I'm getting a few responses from the crowd. All right. Good to hear that everybody is aligned. All right, that's a great chat. Thank you, everyone. Perfect. So, what are we going to do today? Today, we have a couple of use cases wherein we will talk about what how we can use COCO, which is Cortex Code, inside of Snowsight UI, as well as what are the benefits or how can we easily access things using the CLI version of Cortex Code as well. So, what exactly is Cortex Code? Cortex Code is nothing but Snowflake's built-in AI by which uh, you can access everything that is available to you on your Snowflake portal. It is a coding agent and it lives entirely inside of Snowflake. It reads your catalog, it will write SQL for you, it will write Python for you, and the best thing is it will act as you. For example, if a user has access to three tables, then Cortex Code will also have access to the same three tables. Whatever as a user you have access to, same things the Cortex Code will have access to. You can consider it as a clone of yourself, which can do things autonomously and with properly when you set in a few guardrails. What are those guardrails? How can we make it work? How can we make sure that we are making responsible use of this? All of this we will be looking at now. So just a quick note here for you guys, whatever I will be demonstrating throughout this particular workshop, whatever scripts I use, whatever prompts I use, everything will be provided to you towards the end of the session. So please make sure that you guys sit in comfortably, uh, understand what's going on. If at any point you guys have any questions related to what I'm doing or why am I doing a certain thing, then please don't hesitate to raise your hand, ask the question. It will be great if you guys can interact and we can have a two-way interaction here. So again, get set and I will provide everything that you can see on the screen towards the end of the session. So don't worry about writing somewhere. Don't worry about taking screenshots or anything. Just sit in, relax, and try to grab as much as you can from what I'm doing. Sounds good? Can I get a show of hands, maybe a thumbs up if everybody is aligned and I can get started with the demonstration? Perfect. All right, all right. I'm getting a few responses. All right, perfect. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your coordination. All right. So what do we have here currently? Currently, what I have done is I've done a initial setup of things. What is that setup? I'll just show you that. So I have created a workshop dedicatedly for this particular. I've created a database, a schema dedicatedly for this particular workshop. As you can see on your screen here, I have a database which is COCO workshop. Inside of that, I've created a bank schema. I've also created a warehouse of extra small size, and these are the different configurations of it. What is the purpose of using this? So that I can have all my data sitting inside of one place. And whenever I want to check against maybe some errors or some credit consumption or configurations, I exactly know which workshop, which database or which schema I have to look at, and which warehouse is going to contribute towards my cost sizes. What I've also done is I've created an initial set of tables, which are these branches, customers, accounts, loans, cards, and transactions. It has some sort of data inside of it, and I've created an internal stage for that, and I've loaded all of those data sets into the respective tables using the copy into command. So I hope the setup is simple. It's nothing but 6 tables ingested via an internal stage, and I have created a dedicated database, a schema, and a warehouse for making sure that I know how to track the cost of whatever I do inside of this particular workshop. Cool. I hope everybody's aligned till this point. Any questions, any doubts? If not, would appreciate you guys to show a thumbs up or some indication that you guys are aligned. All right. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Perfect. So let's begin. Now, this is my Snowflake portal wherein I have executed the exact same scripts that I have shown you. You can see the database, schema, warehouse, and you can see the file format that I have. This is the copy into command. Now, if there's anybody who doesn't know how to ingest data into an internal stage, then I will give a quick demonstration of that as well. You can see on the left-hand pane, you have this ingestion option. Within that, you have this add data button. You can go here and you can choose where exactly you want to add data. So if it is a table stage or a user stage, you can select a Snowflake stage. If it is any other stage, you can select load files into stage, and you can load a file up to 250 MB using this particular interface. So what I did was I just browsed through my local repository where I have stored all of this data. I selected the database, which was our COCO workshop, and within that I have the bank schema. As you know, I created the stage called as stage bank, and I clicked on upload. That's it. This was the simple step which I used to upload all of the data from my local into my internal stage. And then the data was loaded into my tables using the copy into command.